Hey guys, welcome to my mukbang. Today it's just gonna be some simple noodles and a Coca-Cola. It's gonna be delicious. You can see as it's still kind of hot. I don't have much here. I really just want to wash down this Coke. This is gonna be a very burpy mukbang. Coca-Cola always hits the spot. Not sponsored, but hey, if you want to sponsor, I'm here to sponsor you, sodas. Ugh, I love noodles. So, I had a really good day at work today. Mainly because, finally, one of the very last people that's been bullying me at work finally decided to quit today. I was like, yes! I'm going to be at work early tomorrow. I feel it coming. I know you want to come out. You know when you feel like a deep burp? It's like, it's in there. And it's saying, hello, yeah, hello, yeah, hello, you know? And then eventually it just comes out. But looks like it's playing hide and go seek on burpage today. Maybe I need to quit pussy in this drink here. Oh yeah, that's gonna bring a belch. I'm sitting on top of baby burps. Nice. Gotta shove my face. This is gonna be the last meal of the day, I promise. I've already had Wendy's and popcorn. Noodles are a little spicy. Ooh. These are just some Indomie meal goreng instant noodles. I like them. Yummy ramen. Well, I don't normally celebrate when somebody gets fired or quits. Because, like, that's an impolite thing to do about somebody's money being messed up. But honestly, this guy gave me so much heck and even blatantly admitted to me that he didn't like me because he thinks I'm a dyke. Which that's just him belittling me because I don't call myself that. But noodle stuck in my throat, sorry. Anyways, he he's gone now. So I don't have to worry about him bothering me anymore. I don't have to worry about him telling me that he treats me badly because he doesn't like me. And I don't have to deal with him actually treating me badly. This is really a burp-loaded mukbang. I'm almost out of noodles. I made the noodles just because it would be easier to drink the soda if I had something to wash it down with. Because I don't really technically like Coke, but it makes me burp. Like, who doesn't? It makes burp. And I'm doing this in my honor of my very first subscriber. I have no idea how to pronounce his screen name, so we'll just do a quick shout out to a guy who likes my burps. Oh, yes. Now, this is my private YouTube channel, and I plan on doing these mukbangs alone. I don't really plan on doing them with other people, but if I do ask other people and they want to do them, then that's cool. But for now, it's just me, guys. But maybe in the future, I'll bring some other people in. Some different stuff. I need some ideas from you guys of what you want to see. Sorry, my camera's not focusing. Just tell me what you want to see me eat. You know, what you want me to do if you're, interested in me doing a challenge of some sort. Just type it in the comments below and let me know. Because, I'm up for mostly anything. I think my next mukbang, I'm going to do like a fruit mukbang. Fresh fruit, or maybe like crunchy vegetables. I don't know. Something like that. But it'll be probably later on this week because I don't have the money to get any food right now. But it's always fun with you guys. It's always great to see you. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Share any of my videos with your friends if you like them. They're meant to make people laugh and maybe to be a little bit informational and maybe hopefully relaxing, entertainment-wise. I mean, I don't care what you get out of this. I hope whatever it is you get, you're enjoying it. Peace, love, and chicken grease. See you next time.